Hi kiddies, this video will share you that cute easy drawing of quokka and also facts about quokkas. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. Quokkas are wild mammals. Number 2. Quokkas are related to kangaroos and also wallabies. So they move like hopping and bounding with their small feet and short tail. Number 3. Quokkas can climb trees. They climb up to 2 meters high to grab leaves of trees. Number 4. Quokkas are known for the happiest animal in the world. Their smiling faces can be seen all over social media in the form of quokka selfies. Number 5. There are over 20,000 quokka selfies on Instagram. Number 6. Quokka can go for long periods without food or water, even for weeks without eating food, and for months without drinking fresh waters. Number 7. Quokkas are very peaceful and love sharing spaces and friendly also. Even they hop into the shop in Rottnest Island regularly to say hello to everybody. Number 8. Although friendly, they are not harmless. They are cute from a distance only. Number 9. They regurgitate their food and eat it again later. Number 10. Sadly, quokkas are vulnerable due to their habitat restrictions and climate changes and also invasive predators. Thanks to watch kiddies. I hope you like this cute easy drawing of quokka and also facts about quokkas. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel for get more videos. Wait, one more thing, that sharing is caring. So share this video to your friends and families.